What does your person, the one that you left, what do they want to say to you? I just want to hear the sound of you laughing. I want us to enjoy ourselves. I love the way that you laugh. I'm so turned on by you. And I get so excited at the thought of seeing you again. I remember how we would laugh and talk for hours. I miss everything about you. I'm having so many personal problems right now. It's taken all my attention. I'm so stressed out. What else? I can't help it. Even if I wanted to, I'm helpless. I'm in love with you. Okay, so this person over here, they're in love with you. They can't help but love you. They miss your laugh. They miss you guys spending time together. What is this person, what are they heavily thinking about when it comes to you? What's in their thoughts? Like right now about you. What's in their mind? What's in their thoughts? What's in their thoughts? Right now, what are they thinking about you, about your connection? That I am so lucky to have you in my life. We were destined to meet. They think that you're so intelligent. You stick up to your beliefs, and they like it. So that's Queen of Swords. I'm so lucky to have found you. They're having some kind of aha moment. What is this? Aha moment? That you're so loving and compassionate and intuitive. Okay. What else are they thinking about? They're thinking about the opportunity. I recognize the opportunity that I have with you. Tell me about this lucky twist of fate. What are they thinking they're so lucky, or that something has happened? Yep. They say basically that, I don't know, maybe when you came in, this person was really toxic. They may have been like really holding back. They may have been, had a lot of fears or anxieties. There may have been, they may have had a lot of toxic traits or a lot of toxic people holding on tight to them. But then you came in. You came in, and it's like you were completely different than all these toxic influences and people in their life. You were special. Why? Because this is soulmate energy. This is not karmic energy. It's like, I'm so lucky. Tell me about the Queen of Swords. I think that you're very intelligent, huh? They're walking away over here. They are walking away from somebody over here. This is like a third party person here. They're walking away from this person. They see this as like a necessary ending. I think kind of basically you kind of just told this person how it is. This Queen of Swords, she's got the sword, okay? Yeah, I think basically you're like, hey, like, I'm independent, like, I know my worth, and, like, I'm really, like, just, like, no nonsense. Like, I'm giving to you, but you're not giving to me, or you're taking too much from me. Anyway, so this person, they realize that this is not fair, okay? The Six of Coins in reverse, it's not fair. And I feel like, well, even though it might piss them off, okay? It might piss them off, okay? Like, they realize that it's not fair. And they kind of, they look up to you that you can be like, no, okay? So, yeah, this person is putting an end over here to some other queen energy in his life. He's walking away from that. Okay, tell me about he could be thinking too, like, well, I have to put this to an end, because if I don't, well, yeah, my lady, she's gonna leave. She's gonna be like, bye. So tell me about this Ace of Swords. It's not funny, but dang. What is this clarity? What is this clarity over here? They're having some kind of aha moment that maybe people are trying to trick them, okay? Like, people were trying to trick them over here by being elusive, like by being like not who they really are. And then the magician is when you play a trick on somebody. So this person's having an aha moment. Basically, I feel like that they need to make quick changes, okay, here for the better. Tell me about the Queen of Cups. So they feel like you're loving and compassionate and nurturing. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. They think that they miss you. I don't know. They miss you, and they're in regret. Cause I don't know. Like, this person, they know that you are worth the work. Because you guys have like a perfect partnership over here. That's what it looks like. I mean, they're like, okay, the lady, she loves me. She's worth my time and my effort. For me to enter into a commitment over here with the lady, like, she's worth it. So I don't know if they're just feeling like, I don't know if they're just feeling bad, like they're maybe in some kind of regret, that they regret something, but they see you like you're my forever partner. Like, you and I feel for you the way that you feel for me. You know, just like you're passionate about me, I'm really passionate about you. You're so truthful and fair, right? Tell me about this Page of Coins. This is like, I'm learning. or there's an opportunity. They're still searching about this opportunity that they have with you. And basically, like, I've learned, this is almost like I've learned that you are my choice. This is like, there is no better choice. Like, I'm in love with you. Okay. Alright. So that's what they're thinking. What are they feeling? What's in their heart space for you? And then we're going to look and see what is their upcoming actions. Okay, so we saw their thoughts, what they were thinking currently. What are they feeling? What's in their heart? Ace of Cups, King of Cups. What's in their heart space? Alright, let's find out. What's in their heart space for you? Let's find out what's in their heart space. Oh, you make me so happy. I am so grateful. This is like, I'm so grateful that you are in my life and that you are in my corner. Heart, lots of passion, okay? Queen of Wands. You're so beautiful, magnetic, and attractive. Their heart is expanding, okay? And growing. This is some kind of a glorious win over here. Okay. I feel like you are the prize. You know, you're the top of the mountain. Yeah, long-lasting security. I mean, this is like, you're my home, you're my partner, you're my rock, you're the security in my life, you're my everything, like my partner that I'm supposed to be with forever and ever. 10 of coins. 5 of swords. 5 of swords. I've learned. They've learned something. What have they learned over here? Basically, I think basically, I don't know, it's almost like they've recognized, I've recognized that all I've been doing is just holding back or holding a grudge or like being selfish, like only looking after me, myself, and I. That's what it looks like. I recognize this, and it's almost like I am choosing us, because this 10 of coins is family, right? This 4 of wands is like security and being together and celebrating. What else? 4 of cups, Ace of wands, 10 of cups. They're not happy in their life right now. They're not happy, and they're feeling very motivated to come back to you, basically, because you are they're happily ever after. They're like, I'm not happy without you. I'm not happy without you. I'm feeling very motivated to come towards you because you make me happy. Okay, so what is this person going to do? What are their actions, upcoming actions? What are they going to do? So they realize that maybe they haven't been acting fairly, right? I realize now that I haven't been fair to you, that I've been acting in a less than honorable way. That's what it looks like. And that, I don't know, like I needed to ground myself in the reality for the way that things really are. Okay, so what is this person gonna do? What are they going to do? What are their upcoming actions in the near future? Page of Coins. So I've recognized my opportunity and I'm learning. This is Nine of Swords. Why so much worry or sleepless nights? King of Coins. I've recognized my opportunity. Okay. This is almost like I've recognized my opportunity to come in, I don't know, in a husband's energy, but I'm worried. Okay. Two of Wands. I need to make a choice. What is this? To have peace of mind. I need to make a decision, but I need to rest first. Maybe this person, maybe they haven't slept for days, okay? I don't know. But there's something here like, okay, I recognize the opportunity that I have with you, but this person has been burning the midnight oil. They've been so much in their mind. I don't think they've slept really. They're like, I'm making plans to move forward, but I need to rest right now. I need to sleep. I need to relax, okay? Before I move forward. This is like, I need to rest, sleep, relax, right? Get to peace of mind. Because I have all these crazy thoughts going around in my head right now that I'm trying to balance out. And, yeah, I need to get to this peaceful state of mind. I need to make plans. Oh, this is the planning. Okay. Before I execute this action. This person isn't this King of Coins. King of Pentacles, King of Money, the King of the Earth. This person doesn't just go. They have a plan for everything, okay? They're probably going to write it out. Okay, plan A, if this happens, then this, I need this much money, and then I'm going to do this, and I need to buy that. Like, they're going to make this whole plan, and if that doesn't work, then we're going to go to plan B, and this, like, that's the way this person is. So that's what they're saying. Like, okay, I recognize now. So they're gonna be making some major decisions. I feel like this person is like, I don't know, they're planning to travel, or this is almost like put an end to some things in their life very, very quickly over here. Because they want to end the conflict. I don't want any more conflict. There's something here about there's something here like some kind of fair judgment. They feel, I don't know, they feel like it's fair, or it's just. Like, basically, they feel like, okay, if I don't come in loyal and devoted to have some kind of traditional commitment with you, right? They're like, I feel that it would be fair and just if you walked away from me. So basically they're like, well, but I don't want that to happen. Like, I want us to have a stable new beginning. So I think basically this person is coming back to you, and this is Ace of Coins. That's an offer for you. That's an offer for you for stability. They don't want you to go. You know what I'm saying? Like, they don't want you to go. So they're gonna level up. They're gonna meet you at your level. Alright, guys. Well, I hope you guys have an amazing evening. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.